Hi, this is an unboxing review of the Zonkyo wireless tablet station. This tablet station features a Bluetooth keyboard and speaker built-in, and as you can see here from the picture, you will stand the tablet here and then you have a speaker on the side here, and they're all connected via Bluetooth. It comes in a big package like this. In the back, let's see what we got. It's designed for 7 to 10 inch tablet, Bluetooth keyboard, Bluetooth speaker, built-in tablet charger, and then you have built-in microphone for making phone call. The battery inside is a 1000 milliamp battery, so it's a pretty small battery. You have two 3-watt speakers, 20 Hz to 20,000 kHz frequency here. You have a range of 10 meter. Look like you have a output port of 2.1 amp. Let's go ahead and just unbox this guy and see what's inside. Look like I already seen a small problem with it. Let's put it to the side. Bottom here we have the little USB charger. You have a mini USB cable, and then you have the user menu. The model here is Z-BKS6. A very small user menu, just 2 pages here. Has some more information, has some diagram of the product, and then you have here the instruction how to use it right here. In the back here, more operating instructions and then how to charge it. And that's basically about it. So here is the keyboard dock itself. You can see I was pointing out a problem earlier. Look like this piece of aluminum is supposed to be holding down place, but look like the sticker has come off of it. So to me this is not a very good build quality. So it look like during the shipping process, this top aluminum cover pop up, and it's basically stickers. So I push it back in place and look like it's good now. You can see the keys are sticking out. This is a full-size laptop keyboard. You have a chiclet type key. There you go, can give you an idea, the response key. And then up here you have some of the volume control button, and these are click button. There you go, and then you have the on-off switch right here. On the right side you have the 5-volt input for charging, 5-volt output, and then you have the speaker on this side, and then there's also a speaker on the other end. Both ends have a speaker. The battery I assume is inside here. The bottom you have plastic feet to keep it in place. You also have a small microphone hole here so you can answer a phone call. So I think the biggest gripe to me so far is the build quality of this. This is basically sticker in, and it's a piece of aluminum. It feels really nice, but it doesn't stay in place. And only after I pop it back in place that is good. Yeah. You can see here I have my iPad on. Go ahead and turn Bluetooth on here. And then go ahead and turn the device on. I'm going to hold down the button here to get Bluetooth. There we go, it's showing up the keyboard. Connect to it. Ask me to enter the code 2826. Press enter. So look like I'm now paired. Let's go ahead and try to go home here. There we go, that takes you home. So these buttons are working. This is the spotlight function, that works. Home again. Brightness control, that works. We'll have some other functionality that's not applying to the device here. There you go, volume up and down. Brightness control up and down. And then you have a full-size keyboard here. So let's give it a try. Monkey feel out. So speakers sound really good. Innovation mouse to senior. Basically an adjustable headrest mouse for your tablet and e-reader. So overall, really nice little stand for you to type and listen to music and stuff on it. It works pretty well. I have 2 small problems with this, and I want to point out at a time. First of all, this piece of aluminum trim here is basically sticker on. I wish it was screwed down or something like that, because by sticking it on it pop up during shipping, and I push it back in place and it looks like it's pretty good now, but that just gives a customer a bad impression. The other thing is the angle of this. I'm not a fan of the angle of this, and I wish there's a little adjustment so that you can adjust the angle. For me, maybe this is okay for a while, but then my hand get tired and this might not work well in the long run, and I think having an adjustable angle here would be good. The other thing is for the iPad, when you put it in the portrait orientation, which is look like what's designed for, it fit perfectly. You lose about probably a millimeter of your screen, as you can see here. I'm going to drop it down. There you go. If you're in the portrait orientation, is perfect. You see all the bezel here covered, but the horizontal position for the iPad Air, the bezel is a little bit covered. The keyboard itself is pretty nice. It types pretty well. I think the travel distance is pretty good for a small chiclet keyboard. My main concern is that the shift button here, I don't know why it's so big, but the enter button is really little. I figured that the enter button can be a little bit bigger, and some of these backspace button will be bigger, would be better. But overall, a pretty nice typing experience compared to just typing on the screen. And then you do have the native functions. Another thing I want to point out is on this side you have a USB port, which you can use to charge the tablet or any of your accessory using the internal battery. The thing is, the internal battery is pretty small. It's only 1000 milliamps, so you're not going to charge it for much at all. So I think it's really just nice to have, but I don't think you're going to be using it to charge your tablet, as it will run out quickly. Another thing I do want to point out is that when you use keyboard, it's a little bit strange. You have speaker and Bluetooth keyboard, but they actually have two different buttons to basically pair them. So you can actually pair them separately, but you actually, if you want to use both of them on the same device, you have to pair them together. So right now I have both my speaker and my Bluetooth connected right now, so that's gonna work. But let's say you want to use this to just pair your keyboard to here, and you want to use the speaker from your phone or something, you can do that. So it gives you the flexibility, but at the same time you have to definitely pair them separately into your device. So overall, a decent, nice product with some build quality issues, and I think if they pack a better battery so that you can really charge your tablet instead of just having it down, because 1000 milliamps is not going to do too much, and giving us a little bit better design so that we can angle the keyboard to a different angle we like, it will be a perfect tablet stand. So I hope your short little review helped you in your purchase decision. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below, and as always, stay tuned for future review. Thank you. So once again, let me listen to the. So once again, let me play a video here, give you an idea how loud the speaker get. So the hook is right inside your ear, and that kind of gives you extra security when you're doing running and stuff. Good thing about this platform is when you have them on and when you're moving around, you know. So that kind of gives you an idea how loud it is.